Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Raid Shadow Legends. So first of all, of course, if you have Raid Shadow Legend on your phone, that will be cool. If you don't have it, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like, of course, if you want to play like me, Raid Shadow Legend on your PC, you'll find a tutorial on this channel on how to do that, so just go check that out. So of course, if you want like several tutorials about the Raid Shadow Legend, go check this channel out as well. So let me just go here and open my Raid Shadow Legend. So just here, let me just go back. So that's actually, that will be your home screen or your main screen if you log in into your account, or if you like created a new account by just clicking at start a new game if maybe you are new at the game or anything. So of course, as we said, this will actually be your home or your main screen. And of course, if you want to log out from your account, all you need to do, just go and click at your icon at the top left corner. So just go and click on that, and as you can see, you will have this option right here. So as you can see, first of all, if you are not connected to Plarium or to Facebook, you have to connect to that, because if you log out from your account, your data will be lost forever if you are not connected with anything. So of course, if you, as we said, you want to log out, all you need to do, you'll have here an option called logout. So when you click on it, as you can see, the game will actually log out, and if you want to log in, as I said, you will need to click at login from here. But as I said, if you didn't connect it to Plarium or Facebook, your account or your data will be lost forever, and now you cannot do anything. So of course, if you can log in, just go and choose what are you like sharing your account with, enter your email and password, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.